see if we can get anybody to get in the trailer.
What we see here is popcorn in the trailer, which is actually pellets of ice coming from the sky. As we see it bouncing off the car like little pellets from the sky. Like I said, this is what happens when it gets hot outside. When we get humidity, we get these big storms. Now give me some thunder, really loud. By the power of Grayskull. Here comes all the lightning. As you can see, there's little pellets of ice hitting the car. Here it is August and it's sleeting already. And the thunder rolls. Oh, look at all that ice hitting the car. Put little dents in it. We'll make the weatherman pay for our bills. Yeah. 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 Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it all to me.
Start smelling and raining and sleeting all the same time.
Give me all your power. Yeah, give it to me. No. Especially if there's ice in the pool.
You get it cold?
Whoa, yeah, there you go. Heck yeah. Whoa.